Hi friends, welcome to the post office. In this packet are lots of things that you can use to set up your own post office at home. So here's a sign. You're going to need to take this apart that you can hang up to welcome people to the post office. It says, yes, we're open. Sorry, we're closed. This sign can be cut out to weigh your packages here. Wait here to be served so you can start a line for your customers. Here's little signs for parcels, envelopes, stamps, and postcards. Here are the prices: parcels, packages, envelopes, stamps. You can change the prices on here. You can do whatever you want with it on here. And here are your hours that you're open. And it says you're closed on the weekends. You can change that. If you want to be open on the weekends, cross that out and write whatever your hours are. Here's some fragile pages. You can cut those out and stick them on with some tape if your package is fragile. You can use boxes that come to your house, any kind of boxes you want. You can even use cereal boxes if you have them left over. Here's some pretend stamps. You can write numbers on here to have prices. Here's a pattern for a postcard. You're welcome to cut this out. It's not a real card, so you can't really send this one, but you can use it in your post office. And here's some smaller ones. And here's some writing stationery, so you can write to a friend. It says, dear, and you can write your friend's name, draw a picture, or write a letter. It says, you're a friend, and you can sign your name at the bottom. And here's another sign that says, welcome to the post office. More hours and more packages. You can also use some pretend money or anything else you can think of to have a post office at home. Have fun, friends. Bye.